2020-21 academic year. In this academic year, children, in your maths, first chapter is additions. Okay, now what is the chapter name, beta? Addition. Already in your previous classes, first class, second class, you have learned how to add one digit numbers, two digit numbers. Now in this class you are going to learn how to add three digit numbers. Understand, children? మీ క్లాసెస్లో ఇంతవరకు ఏం నేర్చుకున్నారు? వన్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ని, టూ డిజిట్ నెంబర్ని ఎలా యాడ్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకున్నారు. బట్ నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ క్లాస్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ how to add three digit numbers. So let me explain. First problem, look at the board and it is very easy, beta. That's why 354, this is three digit number, means 1 2 3. How many digits are there? How many numbers are there? Three numbers. So that's why we are saying it is three digit number. Okay, plus 123. Okay, na? So then how to add it? So first see that, beta. First we will write the two numbers in a order. 354. Next we will write 123. Under the 354, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now? When you know additions very well, this is ones column, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Children, now we are adding 4 plus 3. You know how much 4 plus 3? 4 and 3. 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Next, 5 plus 2. 5 we are added. How many numbers we are adding? For 5, 2 we are adding. So 6, 7. Then 3 plus 1, how much? 4. So the answer is 477. Okay, now? And let us go for another number, beta. Another problem. Second problem. Okay, now? The numbers are 285 plus 347. Children, here this sum is very easy, but now listen carefully on how to do the addition of the two numbers. Okay, na? The two or three digit numbers, and we are adding how to add and explain, then you listen. Okay, so first we are writing 285. The next 347. Okay, so we should write from this. Then as usual, ones column, tens column, hundreds column. Okay, so then now here you will get a problem here by adding. See how. So then 5 plus 7. We are adding number 5 with the 7. So how better 5 plus, suppose you have 7 numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5, count the next number, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you got 12 here. So if we write 12 here, is it correct? No, it is wrong. Children, remember, when we add the two numbers, if we get one number, we can write here directly. Here we written no 4 plus 3 7. We got only one number. So we written directly here. Direct the rasesam. Kani eppadaithe manam two numbers add chesinapudu two numbers no answer iste, then we should not write 10 here, 12 here. Ikkada 12 rayakudu. Raste అది wrong. Okay na? So how to do it? దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే క్యారీ ఓవర్ ఎడిషన్స్ అంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఇవి సింపుల్ ఎడిషన్స్, బట్ ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేస్తా ఉన్నాం? క్యారీయింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తా ఉన్నాం. క్యారీయింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇక్కడ మనకి 12 నెంబర్ ఉంది. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ అంటే వన్స్ కాలంలో ఉన్న నెంబర్ని 2ని మనం ఇక్కడ వేయాలి. అండ్ ద లెఫ్ట్ నెంబర్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మిగిలి ఉన్న నెంబర్ ఏంటి? 1 కదా. ఈ 1ని మనం నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్కి క్యారీ చేయాలి. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ కాలం ఏంటి? 8 and 4. So I carried 1 on 8. Okay, now this is called carrying over additions. Okay, so now we are adding 1, 8, 4. Is it clear, children? 1, 8, 4. 8 plus 1 how much? It's very easy. If we add 1 to the any number, we will get the next number. ఏ నెంబర్ కైనా మనం 1 యాడ్ చేసాం అనుకోండి మనకి దాని నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. 8 plus 1 9. It is okay. Then now we are adding 4. So 4 take 4 lines. 9 we are adding 4. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here also again we got the same problem. Same number. 2 numbers we got. So what we have to here, what I did, ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేశాను, 2 ని 1's column కింద వేసి 1 ని క్యారీ చేశాను. Same here also. 3 you should write under the 10's column. 1 you should carry to the next. 1 you should carry to the next. Okay. Now doing addition. 1 plus 2. So if you have doubt, check. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Now count all the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. 632. Now we will go for another number also, Nana. Another problem also. Okay, let me give the example, my own, not from the textbook. Listen. 942 plus 8. With Nana, what we are doing? Addition. The symbol of addition is plus. This is, you must know this. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. Okay. So then now do it. So first we have to do the addition of 1's column, 10's column, 100's column. First మనం 1's column లో ఉన్న addition చేయాలి. So 2 lines, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines. Now count all the numbers, all the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 here. Yes? So then, can I write 10 here? Is it correct? No, it is wrong. What we should do? We should, yes, your guess is correct. First you have to take 0 under the 1's column and we should carry 1 to the next column, that is 10's. So carried. Then now 4 plus 1, how much? 5. 5 plus 9, have a doubt? 5 and 9 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 9, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 plus 9, how much beta? 14. So I'm writing 14 here. Is it correct? No, it is absolutely wrong. Adi wrong. So if we want to third class, what we have to do? We should write 4 here and 1 we should carry to the next column. Next column ki carry chahiye. So 9 plus 1, how much? 10. 10 plus 3, 11, 12, 13. So then it is 13. Here we also got the 2-digit number, but 3 writing here, 1 we should carry to the next line. The addition process is completed. So that we write 13 here. So the answer of the addition of 942 plus 398 is 1340. Understand the carrying additions better? Okay. Now I will give some problems. Do it in homework. It's clear? Come on, say loudly. Yes. I will give 5 problems better. Do it. Copy it with me in your homework book and do it. This is 1. Second problem. Fourth. Sorry, next the fourth problem is this. Fifth problem. Okay, now children, today's homework is this 5 problems. Do it in your homework book one time. Okay, now. So are you understand the additions? Now in this class you have learned how to add the 3-digit numbers. Addition symbol is plus. Okay. So thank you children, and do the homework and send a pic to the WhatsApp number.